Hi, Coco. Mama is feeling better now. Guess what, guys? I almost got pneumonia, and still you can hear my voice. Still recovering. That's why I could not update any video with you guys. I'm sorry about that. Also, I'm not letting Cherry near me because this morning Cherry beat me here, guys. And every morning I make sure they have enough fruits for the rest of the day until I get from the work. We have to work, guys. I get 3 days off, but still I'm not feeling that well. Anyways, guys, bye for now. You guys take care, stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy.